When I saw the slogan or the invitation, of course it immediately connected with me. My father had a polio when he was in law school. So it affected his life. He had to stop for a year to recover from the illness. And after that, his life never became the same again. And of course, it also affected our family, our lives. His mobility was limited. Even until when we became adults, we only had to travel like once a year because he can only walk for just a few meters. One of the reasons why I joined this ride.
We would like to thank the cycling community for supporting our End Polio ride. Our friends from VGCC, Team Bucket List, Alka Plus, Life Cycle, Fititas and Fititos, Heaven of Angels, Paceline, Dulo Cafe, Standard Insurance, Aspire Pro, and the Philippine Team. Thank you very much for your support.
The Rotary Club of Suburban East Rizal organized the social ride awareness campaign for End Polio. So ang objective namin is to raise awareness about what Rotary International does to end polio. Sabi nga natin, we are this close to ending polio worldwide. So yun lang, no? We wanted to let the cycling community know about End Polio. No? Isa siya sa advocacy ng Rotary International. And personally, ako as a cyclist, sabi ko nga, what better way to raise awareness by bringing in our cyclist friends, no? Even Rotarians and non-Rotarians. So, yan, nagsama-sama kami. We're really happy that we're able to have a successful ride to end polio today.